Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you a little bit about SpeedLinker. SpeedLinker is the newest, fastest way to be able to copy and save and repaste your links. It's a Chrome extension that lives right inside Chrome. Adding links is easy. Click a button, give it a name, give it an address, click a button, and it comes into your list. Click on it, and it copies everything that you've got in it, and you can paste it right away. So it literally gives you two-click access. 1, 2, ready to paste. Just added some new organizational features with the abilities to use folders. Folders are super simple. Put in the name, hit the button, pops a new folder into the list. If you want to move a link into a folder, you've got a couple of ways to do that. You can go ahead and make a new link here. Folder, and it will automatically create a link under the folder for you. As you can see, folder 3 doesn't have any in there, so we're going to move an existing link into here. We select the link, select folder 3, and boom, now that link is under folder 3. You decide you don't want it under folder 3 anymore, go to edit and just break it out, and it comes right back down into the list. So you can also delete folders, but don't worry if you happen to delete a folder that has links in it. Oh, they just go to the main folder here. So we can actually create another folder. And then we can move our links into folder 4. Nice and easy. And there we have it. That is SpeedLinker in a nutshell. Nice and easy. All right. Have a great day, guys.